All right. You have to know what an independent variable is to answer this question, because the the question says which was the independent variable in her experiment. Well, okay, Sonia, she has this experiment. She has three petri dishes. She puts one in a cabinet, one on her desk, and one partially covered by a book. So she has these three petri dishes in different locations. Let's talk about what is different about each one of these locations. What would she be testing? Well, color. A says color. That doesn't resonate with anything as far as what's different about this experiment from petri dish to petri dish. One's in a cabinet, one's on her desk, and one's covered by a book. Color is not even um, it's not even a good distractor because there's no reason why you should think it's color. I'm going to move on to C, movement. Now, if one of the petri dishes is sitting on her desk, one covered by a book, and one inside a cabinet, they're not moving at all. They're just sitting there. So that's not different. They're the same. They're all sitting in one area or all on one area. Temperature could have been one that you got a little bit confused on. However, if you think about it, they're all pretty much in the same room. One is inside a cabinet, but the other two are right there next to each other, one covered by a book and one on our desk. It doesn't say that they're in um, different rooms or that there's a different temperature outside. So you can't assume that temperature is the right answer because that's not different from petri dish to petri dish. The only thing that is different is their location. Their location, one being inside a cabinet. Now think to yourself, if one is inside a cabinet and one is just sitting on her desk, they're going to get different amounts of light, right? One is going to get total light on the desk. Another is going to get a little bit of light covered by a book because it says partially covered by a book. And the other one inside a cabinet is going to get very little light. So you have one with a lot of light, one with a little bit of light, and one with hardly any light. That would be the answer, B, light.